Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Corolla back speakers. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first and rest your tools nearby. Remove rear trim panels carefully with a trim pry tool to avoid breaking clips. Keep screws and clips sorted in labeled containers so you can reinstall panels in the right order. Wear gloves to protect your hands and work slowly to avoid damaging interior trim or speaker connectors. Use a trim pry tool to lift the edge of the rear trim and reveal mounting screws and clips. Remove each screw and gently unclip the panel. Work around the perimeter to reduce stress. Carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, like courtesy lights, before fully removing the trim. Place the panel on a soft towel to prevent scuffs and double-check for any remaining fasteners under the carpet or panels before moving to the speaker mounting screws. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your Corolla smelling great after working on the speakers. It's an easy way to freshen the cabin and keep things pleasant while you finish the job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After removing trim, press the connector tab and pull the speaker plug straight out to avoid damage. Unscrew the speaker mounting screws with your Phillips or socket and lower the speaker gently from the opening. If replacing, transfer the foam gasket and wiring adapter as needed, then secure the new speaker in place and reconnect the harness. Reconnect the battery briefly to test sound, ensuring no rattles, then proceed to reinstall trim and fasteners in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.